back it up, fuck 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 it up, break it up.
Brought out the pink Lamborghini, just a race for China. What the race to China? Just a race in China. Little bad trendy bitch, but she mixed with China. Real thick vagina, smuggle bricks to China. I saw my niggas up, check, bust it out, and turn your goofy down. Pow, pow, split on it, yes, let's turn it. I'm a bad bitch, I'ma throw it, I'ma bust it open. Go stupid, I don't get honey, cookie on tsunami. All my niggas wife me once they get that good punani. I think he needs the bunny, I might just let him find me. Never trust a big butt, and the smile worth the Ronnie.
I think keep up with all the lies you tell yourself. You kinda cute, but ain't too much to play yourself. I'm not the one, but
this minutes vlog, we about to get our hair done, our nails done. I have to wash my hair before my appointment. I really want to get a wax so bad, y'all, but I'm so terrified. I want to get down there waxed, and I'm terrified. Like, I get my underarms waxed, but not down there. And as you can see, I barely have any hair right there, but it is time for a wax. So I do not get my lashes done. I do not get lash extensions. That cost too much. It's an extra bill for no reason. And I do wear contacts and glasses, so it irritates my eyes. Really, for maintenance, it's just getting my hair done, getting my nails done. These bad babies is done. Possibly get our toes done. I'm not sure. I feel like maintenance for me is shopping as well. So we might do a little bit of shopping for like some shoes, clothes. Or we might do hygiene shopping as well in this vlog. Yeah, I'm not sure what we about to do, but this is about to be a maintenance vlog. And if y'all want to see how I get my hair and my nails, then just keep on watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you're not already. And I will see y'all in the next clip once I'm starting to do my hair. Okay, y'all, so we're ready. Hold up. We're ready for an appointment. I got my bundles from Uni's Hair. This is 24 on me. Come right here. I know this hair about to be so long on me. I got 24, 26, and 28. So I just sculpted out my part where I want it to be. So when I get there, she already know an idea of where I want my part to be. And I'm gonna sideboard with curls. My hair look a mess. I'm trying to get my natural hair together. I think I'm gonna be doing a big chop soon, like honestly, because my hair is all like short in certain places, longer in the other. If I had the courage, I would chop all my hair off, literally, like ski ball like a nigga, and get a fade and let my hair go back that way. But I just am not. I can't do it. I know I can't do that.
fine and dark and handsome, the boy from South Detroit came singing. I can't keep my panties from dropping. It's so fly, fly. Moving so fast, don't hurt yourself. I can't keep up with all the lies you tell yourself. You kinda cute, but ain't too much to play yourself. I'm not the one, but we can still pretend this can't be my man. You say you feel different when you with me, tell me anything. Compliment my energy, it's different laying next to me. All I ask is don't make me pull up and get the dope. You know I can't get no fucks. You know with all the runs.
Okay, y'all, we got the hair did. The curls is laid. The bundles is slayed. That don't even make sense. But the hair is cute. I love it. I can't wait to learn how to curl my own hair because I'm really about to try to keep these curls and my edges and stuff slick down for as long as I possibly can. Anyways, yeah, let's head to our nail appointment. I just love being a girl when I can do girly things, like just go shopping on a daily, get my eyebrows done, get my waxes, my hair done, my nails slayed. I just love being a girl. Go get a piercing on any given day that I feel like I'm gonna go get a piercing or a tattoo. I want to get a tattoo right now. I just don't know what tattoo artist to go to. I don't even know any tattoo artists. It's been so long since I got a tattoo. And the last tattoo I got recently, I'm not going back to that person. Absolutely not. Okay. So, yeah. Doing a lot of rambling. I will see y'all when we get to our nail appointment. Hey girl, hey. I went in the house, changed my clothes. I put on this like, it's like a dupe of a Skims shirt, or it's like that company Pumi on Amazon. It's a very nice feeling shirt. I want some more of these. I got it for Ross. I need to find some more of these because I love this material. But I went in the house, changed my clothes. I got on this shirt, some black leggings, and my new Pumas. Can y'all see them? Oh wait, y'all can't see them. These new Pumas I just got yesterday. I think they so cute. I think they cute. Just a nice little basic cute shoe to wear. And that's the OOTD, y'all. Today is my nephew's birthday. I came to the grocery store to buy him a birthday cake. I'm about to buy this cake, take it home to my family, and then we go head to the mall and get these Uggs before they sell out. I just stopped at Charlie's. Got me some cheese cups. Surprise. My favorite juice in the world, high seafood punch. And I got a chicken California. They have an $8 meal. Love balling on the budget. So I'm about to eat this real quick before we run into the grocery store. Get some fuel in so that we can finish out this vlog. Get these nails done. I forgot about the nails, but the boy, well, the man who be doing my nails, he was booked all the way up yesterday, and I should have known that. It was all the way like 7 o'clock at night when I tried to go, or 6 o'clock. And I normally go to him early in the morning. So he's the best nail tech in the salon, so no wonder. But I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get in there with him today. I probably gonna have to wait all the way till tomorrow, which is Sunday, and go tomorrow morning, but we're gonna see. So yeah, I'm about to eat this real quick, and I'm gonna come back to y'all when we get into the grocery store.
Back it up, fuck 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 it up, break it up.
Brought out the pink Lamborghini, just a race for China. What the race to China? Just a race in China. Little bad trendy bitch, but she mixed with China. Real thick vagina, smuggle bricks to China. I tell my niggas, cut the check, bust it out, turn your goofy down. I'ma spend money, yes, that's my bad bitch, I'ma throw it. I'ma bust it open, go stupid and be lit. I don't get honey, cookie on tsunami. All my niggas wipe me once they get that good punani. I think he needs the bunny. I might just let him find me. Never trust a big butt and a smile or the Ronnie. Rep queens like Supreme, ass web and nitty. Ass bring me in chow. Nigga run me my dog. This game is freezing like it wait in the cow. Nickname is Nikki, but my name ain't a cow.
I tell all my hoes, break it up, break it down, bag it up, fuck it up, fuck it up, fuck it up, fuck it up, bag it up, bag it up, bag it up, break it up, break it up, break it up, bag it up, bag it up, bag it up, bag it up. I tell all my hoes, break it up, break it down, bag it up, bag it up, fuck 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 it up, break it up, break it up, break it up. Well, I'm the dope boy, the one they talking about. All these gossiping ass niggas got my name in their mouth. I know the bad bitches, but no niggas who bitches too. They should.
Hey y'all, we about to go in Sephora. Let's go. Let's go get some new lip gloss. Look at my nails, they so cute. I feel like I could have found the better design, because this look like snake skin or something. It's not really giving cheetah print. It's giving snake skin.
Remember you used to drive a Yukon. I pick up whenever you call. In the parking lot in Tucson. Like, are you with me? In the phantom with the roof gone. I pull up like Jimmy Neutron. I can help you get a move on. Like keep on, I know. You like to go slow, but we could go faster. Tell me the password. Slide city, you know what that means. I'm coming up on you quickly. Hoping nice things. Slide city, you're the man tryna get in the bed. So I'ma get lost instead. I know it's gonna make you bad. What would I do if I didn't love you, babe? What would I do if I didn't love you, babe? What would I do if I didn't love you? What would I do?
Oh hey, we're back with our little gems from Sephora. I got one size dark deep setting powder. I want to test it out, see how it is. I want to try this out because I've been using Laura Mercier for like the past 5 years, and I just want to try something new. Okay, so I got the small trial size so I can test it out. And I got my favorite 2 lip glosses from Sephora. This one is called Lover, and this one is just the clear gloss. And I love both of these. This one is so cute. It gives you a really nice shine, and it feels good on your lips to make your lips feel smooth. It don't give you those little white spots and stuff. And this one just gives you like a little bit of shimmer on top of your regular gloss. And it's just so pretty. So freaking pretty. Let me bust it open right now. Next stop, we're about to go to Ulta because I do want to get some eyeliner, because I want to start putting eyeliner underneath my eyes when I do my makeup, because I feel like I still be looking a little dead when I do my makeup. So that's where we're about to go right now. Hello? Yeah, Cardi need to take that booty out. I fuck with Cardi, but take the booty out, please, babe. I gotta get some makeup wipe woman first. Let's go to Ulta. Made it to Ulta. Let me take my Louis Vuitton, my Hermes bag. Let me take my Hermes bag, pop it on my shoulder. Girl, bye.
I really need somebody. Tell me you there's somebody. I don't care about your body. Let the way you touch my body. From the back, get body. I never tell nobody. Let the way you touch my body. From the back, get body. I never tell nobody. I really need somebody. Tell me you there's somebody. I don't care about your body. Let the way you touch my body. From the back, get body. I never tell nobody. Baby, tell me what you in the mood for. Tight shit, we should get a room for it. Got me in American cute for it. Lay back, let me show you what I do for it. Pull out the valet in a new toy. Blow it back, now me kissing in the food court. You the type that I would've skipped school for. This year I got you on my mood for it. I wanna live in your skin. When I jump out, you jump in. I fit all this in my pants. Same way I fit you in my plans. Let the fact that we just friends. And I hate that we just friends. Round 2, he want revenge. Over and over again and again. Can you? Your body. Let the way you touch my body. From the back, get body. I never tell nobody. Let the way you touch my body. From the back, get body. I never tell nobody. I really need somebody. Tell me you there's somebody. I don't care about your bodies. Let the way you touch my body. From the back, get body. I never tell nobody. I really need somebody. Tell me you there's somebody. I don't care about your body. Let the way you touch my body. From the back, get body. I never tell nobody. I really need somebody. Tell me you there's somebody. I don't care about your body. Big mama.
Okay, y'all, I just left out of Ulta. I showed you everything I got, but I'm gonna still give y'all a little mini haul. I got some cotton pads to go with my Mercier, how is that? Garnier Skin Active Micellar Cleansing Water. And this time I got the yellow bottle because it says it's all-in-one, brightening, cleanses, removes makeup, and it gives you a glow. Yeah, I normally get the blue bottle or the green bottle, but I decided to try the yellow one out. I got this lip gloss, the Essence Extreme Shine Volume Lip Gloss in the shade Summer Punch. This is what I got on right now. It's so cute. It feel like, I don't know why my Zoom not working. You really about to get on my nerves. It feels like some lip balm, so it's really good. It was only $4. Then I got this e.l.f. Blemish Control Face Primer. It says it helps clear blemishes with 2% salicylic acid. Girl, I don't know. So I got this because clearly, as y'all can see, I'm dealing with some acne and dark spots right now. So I definitely need something that's gonna clear up my blemishes when I do my makeup, because when you do your makeup literally is flawless when your skin, your natural skin is smooth and buttery, okay? You got all that acne, all that dark spots, it's really not going to look the best. Like, you can do some really nice makeup on somebody's face, but your dark spots, I mean, your acne is going to show through the makeup. So I want to take care of my face under the makeup, and I want my makeup to look good even with the stuff that I'm trying to take care of, you know, because it takes time to get rid of dark spots and acne, which is so annoying. Like, when is it going to go away? When I'm 7 feet under? How many years have I been at this? Anyways, what else do I got? I got 2 eyeliner pencils because I just feel like my makeup be looking so like dead still after I do my makeup, because when I have my lashes on, I don't never have nothing under my eyes. So I want to start putting some eyeliner right there. And I got e.l.f. eyeliner pencils, one in smoky black and the other one is plum, and these were both $3. Last but not least, I got some e.l.f. Power Grip Dewy Setting Spray. I'm gonna start using this after I'm done with my whole entire makeup. Slow down. I'm going to start using this once I get done with my whole face, because I normally use One Size by Patrick Star, and I also use Morphe setting spray. So I'm going to spray this last once I'm done with everything, so that it can give me like a dewy finish. My face is naturally dry and I hate it, so I don't want my makeup to look dry as well. So now I'm going to start using dewy stuff and seeing if I like the dewy look instead of the matte look, because I normally use matte stuff. But why am I using matte stuff when I already have dry skin? I don't know. Don't ask me. I don't know why I have been doing that, but I'm going to see if it make a difference for me using this dewy setting spray instead of the matte one. And the NYX blush that I told you I liked, they didn't even have it in stock. So clearly I won't be getting that unless I go to another Ulta. I could go to another Ulta right now and get it, but I'm not about to do all that for real. Like, I'll just get it another time or something. I did want to use that though with one of those eyeliners, the plum one, because I feel like that blush and the plum eyeliner would be so cute together. I feel like that would be so cute for like a makeup look for Thanksgiving or like Christmas. It gives like a holiday type of feel, like, yeah, or like a cute day night. It'd be so cute, so sweet. But anyways, yeah, this concludes the end of this vlog for real right now at this point, because I got my hair done. I got my nails done. We did a little bit of maintenance shopping, maintenance and makeup shopping. We went to Sephora and Ulta and got us some more things. So yeah, that concludes the end of this vlog for today. I will see y'all tomorrow.
I don't need like to get it poppin', but these bitches in my business call me out to choosing violence. If you see me out in public, you don't know me, keep it